Hey, welcome to LIVEK Talk, a channel for broadcast engineers.
Take a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel, LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action.
So friends, today I will talk about a very common term of broadcast industry, that is 1080. You can see on the board, it is 1080. Suppose you have appeared for an interview and the interviewer asks you a questions that what is 1080? You know the answer? Interviewer asks you a question that what is 1080? I don't know what would be your answer, but if I was there, then I have two answers. Number one, so friends, these are my answers. Number one is FCH2CO2Na. It's a chemical formula of a biodegradable poison. Yes, it's a chemical formula of a biodegradable poison. Yes, poison. The name of this poison is sodium fluoroactate. Sodium fluoroactate. And the second answer is GTX 1080 8GB graphics card from GeForce. These two would be my answer if the question is what is 1080. You got confused, but don't be confused. Actually, the question is itself wrong. Question should be what is 1080p or 1080i. It should be 1080p or 1080i. If the interviewer asks what is 1080p or what is 1080i, then the question is correct. Without any p or I followed by 1080, it doesn't make any sense. Then answer will be just like two, number one and number two. So if interviewer asks you what is 1080p or what is 1080i, then your answer is ready. What will be your answer? Your answer will be it's a resolutions of a full HD video signal. Correct? Wrong. I say it is wrong because your answer is partially correct but not perfectly correct or correct. Your answer would be just like that. The 1080p is the vertical resolutions of a full HD video signal. 1080i is the vertical resolutions of a full HD video signal. Here P and I stands for progressive and interface respectively. The type of scan used here. Without this P or I, only 1080 doesn't make any sense. If question is 1080p, then answer would be not resolutions of a HD video. The answer would be the vertical resolutions of a full HD video signal. Vertical resolutions, then what is horizontal resolutions? Don't be confused. First, make it clear what is resolution. Resolutions, you know, resolutions is nothing but number of pixels in a particular frame. And how pixels are formed? Pixels are the intersecting points of horizontal and vertical lines. Let me draw a figure to make it very clear. This is your frame, and now I am drawing the horizontal lines. These are horizontal lines across a frame. And how many horizontal lines are there? 1080. So number of horizontal lines just like that is total 1080. This 1080 is called the vertical resolutions, number of horizontal lines across a frame. And now I am drawing vertical lines. How many vertical lines? 1920. Number of vertical lines are 1920. These are called horizontal resolutions. Called horizontal resolutions. And what is the pixel here? And these intersecting points are called pixels. Vertical lines, horizontal lines, all the intersecting these are called pixels. I have prepared a clips for better understanding. Let's check the clip.
So friends, as I said, this is your screen and the horizontal lines run across left to right and top to bottom, means horizontal lines runs across vertically. How many horizontal lines are there? Number of horizontal line is 1080, which is called the vertical resolutions of video. Now let's look into the vertical line which runs across the horizontally in the screen. This is the vertical lines which is run across horizontally. And how many vertical lines are there? Number of vertical line is 1920, which is called the horizontal resolutions of video. And here, which one is the pixels? Pixels are the intersecting points of horizontal lines and vertical lines. So the resolutions of the HD video is 1920 into 1080, or we can say the resolutions of the HD video is 1920 into 1080 equals to 2,073,600 pixels.
So friends, I hope now it is clear to you that what is 1080p. That means what is vertical resolution and what is horizontal resolution, how pixels are formed. So how many pixels are there in a full HD video signals? It is these are the number of pixels in a full HD video signals. 1920 means horizontal resolutions, 1080 means vertical resolutions, and product of them are the number of total pixels present in a frame. It means kilopixel. So you can say the resolutions of a full HD video signal is 1920 cross 1080 or 2.07 megapixel. Again tricks are there. I have write 1920 into 1080. Can we write like that? 1080 into 1920. Is it correct? And another twist. Can we write 1920i or 1920p instead of 1080p or 1080i, I will answer these two questions in some another video. But from this video, I think you have learned what is vertical resolutions, what is horizontal resolutions, and how pixels are formed, and what is the resolutions of a full HD video signal. And the two pending questions, can we write 1080 into 1920 or can we write 1920p or I will answer this question in my some next video. Till then, bye. See you on the next video with some new topic. LIVEK talk.
LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel, LIVEK Talk. Be ready, right?